Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat educational tool. It's actually a fraction book, and it has so much hands-on activity for those learners that really just like to be able to be hands-on. You have all the little fractions and different pieces that you can make whatever size you're wanting to do, whether you're wanting to do a rectangle or you actually have everything in circles. Now, if you wanted to challenge your child to then say, put 1/3 of your pie here, they can pick out the 1/3. Or put in 4/8 of the circle. Can you put 4/8 in?
Yes. Give me one.
Okay, so they can then be working on something like that. It's all magnetic, so they all stay in there really well. They line right up perfectly. So that is really nice. It's great for hand-eye coordination, putting everything all in one place. And they even have the actual multiplier. So you have your multiply, add, so you can actually make math problems out of this as well. And you have a little pen. So you can work through this and write on it. If you wanted to write on the book, has a little eraser on the tip, and then clear all that off. You also have additional little pages here as well that you can give somebody else to be able to work on. They can also write on these pages, they can write on that, erase it with the little thing, and reuse this over and over again. So this would be great for any sort of home learning, or if you wanted to take it into school, use that. It has a great gift idea, all learning about fractions.